What's going on, man? It's your big bro TREN. You tuning again to another banger, another exclusive video for the chosen one and the chosen one only. Chosen one, listen. Oh, stay to the end, man. I got something very special I want to tell you in this particular video, so don't forget to subscribe and stay to the end of this video, okay? Listen, chosen one, listen. When you the real deal chosen one, right? When you the real deal Holyfield, man, if you ain't noticed already, man, you're gonna have a lot of people that start copying you. They're gonna start copying you. All right. They'll talk junk to you. You know, they'll cast stones at you. They won't like you. They'll talk about you. They won't give you no credit. They won't give you no props or nothing. But they will copy you. They will still copy you, and you will notice it because something will show you that they copied you. You know what I'm saying? Source will always show you, look what they doing. Look what they doing. Don't you do that too? And you're going to be like, yeah, that's my stuff. I did that. I did that first. Source going to be like, yeah, well, they copying you. They trying to be just like you. And see, that's how you know you're the chosen one, because you give people style. You know what I'm saying? You give people a new look. If you a real chosen one, man, you even give people a purpose to live their life. You give them a whole purpose. You be the reason why they can even do what they do. And you be sat back looking at them like, look at my son. This is my son. Look at my daughter. Look at her. She's thriving. She's my little daughter. You know what I mean? But see, and the thing about it, here's the messed up thing about it. If that is your daughter, she gonna act like she don't even know you. If that is your son gonna act like they don't even know you. If that is somebody that you inspired, they gonna act like you ain't even inspired them. They ain't gonna give you no credit. They gonna use what you gave them. Okay, when they was hanging around you, the time y'all was hanging out, you rubbed off on them. You know what I'm saying? You rubbed off on them, and they gonna use your energy, your whole spirit, your game, everything. And they gonna run off with the plug. You know that little street term. You running off with the plug. They gonna run off with the plug. They gonna go back to their little room, and they gonna say, yes, I got it. I got the magic sauce. And they gonna try to use it. Now your magic sauce that they use, they gonna serve it to a few clients. You know, people gonna be like, oh, this tastes good. This is good. And you know, the Decepticon, the person who copying you, they gonna sit back like, yeah, I did that. You like that? Knowing good well they ain't come up with the damn recipe for the barbecue sauce at all, period. But they gonna sit back, right? And they gonna feel like somebody. But I'm gonna tell you the real truth, what's going on in these bots' mind, these NPCs' mind. What's really going on? They still not happy with themselves. You know why? You know why? Because they don't want to recognize you. See, when somebody copying you, chosen one, even though they take what you have given them and they go try to use it and make it for themselves, deep down in their heart, they know they didn't create it. Deep down in their heart, their consciousness is on them all the time, letting them know, reminding them, they trying to be like you. And see, this is why they gotta keep checking back in with you. They gotta keep coming back to your page. They gotta keep asking other people how they talk to you. You know what I'm saying? They gotta keep coming back to your Facebook and checking you out low key. This is why they gotta use the private pages and stuff so they can get in on how you switching the sauce up and stuff. Cause they know you switch the sauce up and make it even better than last year. And then they go try to go and run back. It's real crazy work that they do. I don't see how they stressed. I know they gotta be stressed and depressed. But they do a good job of faking it. They do a good job of faking the funk. But I'm gonna tell you something, chosen one. They might copy what you do, but they'll never be the original version of you. You know what I mean? They might copy what you do, but they always gotta be listening to you. You always gonna be on their mind, cause you got the real sauce. And it's only a matter of time. It's only a matter of time before that sauce they using that's yours run the hell out. Because like I said, chosen one, you always recreating, reconstructing yourself. Always reconstructing your brand. And see, they got to keep up with the Joneses. They got to keep up with it. It's crazy work. It's some real Decepticonic shit that they have to do to continue to fake somebody that they really not. And see, people can be doing this for money reasons. People can be doing this to you because they just narcissists, since they couldn't control you and couldn't make you into their little pet. They got to keep up with you. They still got to chime back in with you. They still got to call your phone after a clear blue sky every season because they got to think about you. Okay? They have stolen the mojo from the dojo. You know what I mean? And they ain't paid for it. They ain't accredited you for it. And and listen, karma always comes back around. God see everything, folks. Okay? So they might be shining and you might say, man, they stole my whole brand, man. He stole my whole idea. You probably say he stole my whole idea and went and used it like it was his. You might say that he stole your idea, bro. But real talk, on down the line, bro, something always happens to where something happens to them, that these thieves who steal and copy the whole personality, the whole image of a chosen one, something always happens to where it taints their whole image. It taints their whole image. It strips away everything that they have accumulated off your name. Everything they have accumulated from you without paying for it. Trust me, it'll always come back around. They're not getting away with nothing. They just think they is. They just think they is. They think they is. And you might notice this chosen one. You be like, man, why come when I come up with an idea, when I come up with something new, he go do it. He do everything I do. He keep doing it. He do it. I did that. He did that. I wanted to cut my hair off. He cut his hair out. I wanted to grow my hair out. She grow her hair out. You know what I'm saying? I went and got me a sundress, ladies. I went and got me a sundress today. She went and got her sundress. You know what I'm saying? This is what they do, man. They don't have, these people are empty. Okay? A lot of them don't have no purpose. They don't have no path in life. They don't know who they really truly are. And then when you see them doing it, it's just so funny, bro. They just look so funny and so stupid, don't they? Like when you see them trying to impersonate and do what you do, you just be like, look at this bot. Look at this bot. He ain't even doing it right. That's how they do. These people are low-key narcissists, bro. They come into your life and they steal your whole brain. Like, and you be like, everything that came from you, you be like, everything that came from you, it came from my brain. You bot. So bots. You know what I mean? They be walking around talking like you. You know what I mean? I remember with me one time, because me, one of my things that I do real good is I come up with different words. I make my own words. I don't even know how I do it. I make my own words. I make my own little sayings. I don't know, like little riddles, little sayings. Some of y'all know some of the ones I got, but I always make my own words for some straight reason. I always been like that. You feel me? And bro, don't you know, man, it's a lot of famous celebrities out there that do music that done hung around me. I ain't gonna tell y'all none of who these people is. Bro, a lot of musicians, a lot of people in the entertainment industry done stole some of my language, bro. And done used it and made millions off of it. And when I hear these people using some of my stuff and getting rich off my stuff, you know what I do, bro? I just sit back and just like. And then, you know what I'm saying? I know this one guy, he stole one of my languages, right? He stole one of my sayings that I came up with. He made one hit off of it and got rich, right? He ain't been able to make no more hits ever since that last hit. I'm not telling y'all who it is. That was his hit. When he used my lingo in his music, that was his only hit that he ever made. He ain't dropped the album yet. He's supposed to be dropping the album real soon or something like that. He ain't came out with no other hits ever since then. And he won't have no hits ever since that hit. He done fell off, low-key. Done fell off. Still probably rich, but done fell off. The point I'm making is they can steal it from you, chosen. They can steal it from you, but it's not going to get them so far. They not going to get far like you because you the one that created it. You the originator. So you can take it, flip it, bop it, twist it, mold it, pull it, drag it, lick it. You can do anything with it, and it's still going to stick like an envelope when you licked it. They can't do that because they not chosen. They not chosen. If you a chosen one can alternate you can alternate shit. You know what I'm saying? You can switch it up. You know, you can make it more spicy. You know, you can be more ghetto, and then you can switch back from ghetto to be more classy again. Then you can be proper, and then you can talk with slang, and then you can act like you a nerd, and then you can turn around and act like you a D-boy or something like that, but you not. You ain't never did it in your life. You know what I'm saying? If you're a woman, you can wear this type of outfits, and then you can switch it up and just make yourself look like a complete 304, but you're not a 304 at all, period. Never been a hoe, but everybody will copy your 304 swag, but they can't copy you when you go wear the pantsuit. They be like, huh. Now, I'm not about to dress in no pantsuit and look all professional, but they do it anyway. And then when they do it, you be looking at them when they post their picture, you be like, look at this bot, look at this damn bot, look at this, look at this, look at this. Look at my daughter. Look at my daughter. Oh, these people are so funny. They stupid. They stupid. And that's the only thing you can think when you sit around, chosen one, after you see people copy your style. Listen, don't even get mad at them. I don't even get mad no more personally. But I'm just saying, you don't even get mad at them, bro. Don't even get mad at them, sis. Just sit back and know they can't do nothing without you. They need you for their whole life. They need you. You feel me? They gotta keep watching. They gotta keep learning how you do stuff because they can't switch it up. They're gonna have to stay this. They're gonna get left in the dust with the old versions and shit. These Decepticons these niggas gonna be like AOL dial-up and shit when we gonna be on damn fiber optic internet real soon. You feel me? That's how it is. You know what I'm saying? They might steal your style. They might steal your book title. They might steal your business idea, whatever. Well, let them go make the business. Let them go sell some damn barbecue and some hot dogs, whatever they done stole from. Let them go sell it. It's only going to get them but so far. See, chosen one, your blessings and your abundance and prosperity is going to be endless. Matter of fact, you ain't even got to try to do this shit hard like they trying. They trying so damn hard. They breaking their back, sweating, going into depressions and shit. You know what I'm saying? They trying so hard that it's not even funny. It's just like, damn, like, you know what I mean? They try to put this shit together. They try to box it up right and shit. They try to put the right words and shit. That shit still looks sloppy. It still looks sloppy. They be doing too much because they think they the chosen one. And you just be like, they ain't even chosen. Because they got to say it, chosen one, chosen one. You ain't chosen at all, period. You frozen. You stuck. You's a bot. You's a bot. We know it. We know they bots, chosen ones. But anyway, man, it's your big bro TREN, man. Hey, I told y'all if y'all stayed to the end of this video, man, I got something very special for you, man. Listen, why haven't you joined the community yet? What is so hard about joining a free community? I'm starting to think you an NPC. I mean, if y'all still want to be out here without nobody around that don't think like you, with your own unique style, with a whole bunch of other chosen ones that got their unique style, like, what is you waiting on? What is you doing? What is you doing? Y'all don't got no debit cards? You don't got a transactional card. Bro, join the chosen one community. It's private, man. I don't be in the comment section like that no more. I can't talk to all the hundreds of thousands of people. I got a few people that I talk to in the chosen one community because I can actually see everybody. And we talk every day. Come up with great discussions, writing blogs. Man, it's fun. You missing out. Again, 7 days for free, man. Click the link below. Join right now. I want to see you in that day. What you waiting on? It's like the bus, right? You know, it's like the bus, remember you used to ride the city bus to work. It's like the city bus is right there. You got your outfit on ready to go to work and everything. You got your lunch in your hand. And the lady on the bus is like, come on, what are you doing? You stand there like, I can bring the handicap. Let me bring the handicap thing out for you. Let me lower the bus down. Come on. on, baby, let me get you up real quick. Come on. That's how some of y'all is. Y'all like, y'all supposed to be chosen. Y'all ain't even with the real chosen ones, bro. But anyway, you want to stay out there with the fake chosens, the ones that claiming they chosen, they copying your style. Stay with them Decepticons, okay? We on the inside, okay? We on the inside, man. Make sure you join us today. But remember this chosen one, man. People are always going to copy you. Just get used to it because, like I said, you the creator, you the source, you the originator. You can make shit today and they going to copy it tomorrow. Give them something to win with because they ain't winners, okay? But they using some of your stuff to win to make it feel like, I'm winning. Loser. That's all they is, some losers. So with that being said, man, it's your big bro TREN. Make sure you subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace, man.